Now anything here with yellow steps or that is open, you are more than welcome to go into. There are lots of things outside to explore. I'm not going to bore you with each and everything. We are going to go into a couple places. Like there is another building here that has a beautiful steam engine in it. This train was ridden by President Warden Harding. It is a historical train, an historical Pullman, excuse me. Yeah, she is a beauty. This is the General 2. Elias can probably tell you a whole lot more about this train, I'm sure. But since it has yellow steps, you are able to go up and explore. Pretend like you are an engineer. They even have some Amtrak trains that you can go up into if it's unlocked. You have a Transportation Corps troop kitchen car, a United States Post Office, railway post office, and in the back of the second building you have the third building. Back here you have another beautiful engine, as well as some vintage buses and some not so vintage buses. But look at that beauty. Oh yeah. Ooh. And it has a little yellow stair there, which indicates you are able to go up in there. And again, pretend like you're an engineer. We got some buses galore, even a newer natural gas one. Oh, there's a nice old vintage one. That looks like, oh, it is. If you look on top, it has rails on there for electric. So that overhead electric bus car. Nice. It's an old charter bus. Looks like you can go in quite a few of these. We have one that even looks like it has its own driver. Look at that. Now this bus is very significant. It kind of points to, at least in my opinion, a very sad time in our history. If you look at this here, when you walk in, you have a whites only section and you have the non-white section. So again, not the best time in our American history. I hope we never have to repeat that. What'd you think, Elias? All right. Nailed it. No problem. Haha, I survived. Now right in front of the ticket booth, there's a sign that says more exhibits. Just follow that walkway around and you get to the depot. There's a few interesting things in there as well. Now, walking along the path, you're coming across the Howell station, which has to do with the miniature train company. Now, it was closed down at the time that we were here, but I'm sure when you get here, it'll be open and it should be tons of fun. So come on down and stop in that as well. Now, on to the way to the depot. Now, to the depot, which is part of the SouthEastern Railway Museum in Duluth. It has a lot of interesting things inside, as you will see. Including nice old benches for nice old people to sit on their tuffet. And nice old military exhibit inside, including some replica of Civil War equipment, old style benches, station agents, cities on the rail display, old wagon, beautiful women, and many more little tidbits, knickknacks, paddywhacks, all kinds of neat little stuff. Even a little dog. But I have no bones to give him. Thank you for accompanying us to the SouthEastern Railway Museum. And as always, I invite you to come on back for more adventures. But until then, have a great day. Trains. I love